Sometimes opening up an orange and peeling it is almost like an art form. You take some of the peel off, juices are floating in the air. That's about freshness and flavor and sweetness and health. When someone asks me, what do you do for a living? And I say, well, I'm a citrus grower packer. It's with great pride that I do that, because I'm distributing something that is nothing but goodness to people around the world. That's our feeling here at Lobue Brothers.
Year in, year out, we have been somewhere between 4 and 5% of the California citrus industry, which means 4 to 5 million boxes a year.
In a normal year, 40% of our product is exported.
We, as a citrus grower packer, we're intently engaged in produce traceability. Our reputation is at stake here, and we want to be known as a packer that raises the finest product for our consumers.
I was aware of a need to try to do more to satisfy the requirements of PTI. For years, we've relied on skilled personnel to manually track all of what we do. But as our business changes, the business is kind of outgrowing that system now. Food Logic came in and proposed a pilot project to us. I've had prior experience where I've used other vendor items, and Intermec would always be my first choice. So when they came in and offered that, it was a very easy decision to make. It was just a yes to doing the whole program. Intermec seems to be the standard in the industry that others try to keep up with. You go to the smart printing systems that they have today, where you don't have to have a separate PC attached to the printer. You don't have to have somebody who actually knows how to use a computer. All they have to learn is how to scan a code and hit a button to print tags. It's really that simple. This Food Logic system and the Intermec TM4i have automated the process and are giving us data that we can work from. We're able to ship and document our shipping by tag, which follows back the traceability of lot, style, size, variety, a whole history of things that we can tie back to that shipment. It seems to be a very cost-effective, simple solution to satisfying the requirements that are being requested of us today. It took less than 3 months for us to get everything in place to where it is today. Each physical inventory takes anywhere from 2 to 4 hours, and sometimes it would involve 2 people. So anywhere from 8 to 16 man hours per day saved. Pretty significant savings in labor costs at $12 to $15 an hour. The hard physical accuracy before, prior to implementing the system, was probably in the high 80 to low 90 percentile. Now we're 98, 99%. We have a higher level of confidence in the numbers and don't have to spend so much time checking and rechecking our inventory throughout the day, which is what we had done in the past. We've always had traceback ability. We can usually achieve a traceback within 2 hours. We'd prefer to be able to do it within just a couple minutes, which we can achieve with this system. With this, you can pay for a system within 2 years and then reap the benefits from that point forward. Food Logic, with the Intermec equipment and its portability, is capable of being implemented in just about any application. Intermec has developed a system that, after many years of experience, development, current technology, has been probably the most tested system around. This system has worked so well for us and been so easy to use that, I wouldn't hesitate to say that, go with it. And this is about as simple as it gets. And, I've been involved in the production management of produce for 25 years. And this so far has been the easiest one I've been involved with.